Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to filter data in Power Apps. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Power Apps, to filter a data source, we use filter function. So how can we use this filter function to display our data? So first of all, what I will do is I will go to I will click on insert and then I will click on a button. So this button has been added on my screen. I will rename it. I will say clear collect, as we know that clear collect function can be used to clear the collection and add items into it, right? So on the select property of this button, I want to set a collection. Okay, so here I have collection which is named as ice cream, and in that I have 4 records in fact. So chocolate, vanilla, strawberry and mint chocolate, and then we have flavor, quantity and on order properties of it. What I will do is I will minimize it and then I will play this application and then I will click on clear collect, right? I will close it. And now what I will do is I will go to the layout and then I will click on vertical gallery. Galleries can be used to display our data, right? So on the items property of this gallery, I will specify the collection name, which is ice cream, right? So I will go to the data source and from here I will choose the ice cream. We will wait for some time and then this data source will be connected with this gallery. Now if I want to filter this data, how do I filter it? Okay, consider that I want to show only those ice creams where the keyword chocolate is present. Okay, so what I will do is I will use filter, and in this the first parameter which it takes is ice cream, which is the name of the data source, and the second parameter is going to be the column name, and then I can use this in function, right, to search a keyword. So the second one is going to be the name of the keyword, right? So this is choco, right? And I want to search it in the column which is named as flavor. The moment I close this bracket, you can see that now I'm able to see only those, the ice creams which has the keyword as choco, and this is case insensitive. As you can see here, I have specified the keyword as choco, but I'm able to see the chocolate and mint chocolate which is in capital letter, which is starting with capital letter. In this gallery I can go to the layout, I can choose title, subtitle and body, right? And then I can edit the fields. So first one I want as the title, which I want as a flavor, and the subtitle I want as quantity, and the third one, which is body, I want as on order, right? So now I have these two items which are filtered from the ice cream data source, right? Let's say I want to show only those ice creams where the quantity is 100. Okay, so what I will do is I will specify the column name quantity is equals to 100. I can see that I have only one item which is chocolate and its quantity is 100. Next I will click on clear collect. I will look for the data. I can expand it, and here what I want to do is I want to calculate. You can also search the data based on the calculation of the columns. Consider that I want to sum the quantity and on order properties. Okay, and I want to say that where the quantity and on order sum is greater than 200. So we have two, which is vanilla and strawberry, because when you will sum the 200 plus 50, it will become 250. So which is greater than 200. That is why we are able to see these two records from the data source, right? In this case, you can also use the logical operator, where you can say that quantity is 100 and which is AND operator, and you can say on order, which is the column name, is equals to 75. So we have one item from the record which has quantity as 100 and on order is greater than or equal to 75. Let's say if you want to specify that quantity is greater than, let's say 25, or right, or let's say and, which is AND operator, and here you can say that it is greater than 25 again. So we have three items. I can go ahead and play this application, and you can see that we have three ice creams, which is chocolate, vanilla and mint chocolate, right, which is passing those conditions. I can also use the OR operator, and this time you will be able to see more items from the data source. In fact, all the items from the data source. So this is how you can use filter function in Power Apps to filter the data source and display it in the gallery. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.